Hey everyone, this is Tayyab, founder and CEO of Svetro. In this video, I'll guide you how you can create your Airwallex business bank account for your US company. So make sure you have a US VPS. Don't use VPN or proxies here. So let's dive into it to get started. So as you know, we have recently collaborated with the Airwallex itself, so we can offer Airwallex business bank account to our clients as well. So with the Airwallex business bank account, you will gonna get multi-currency USD business account, no SSN required. You will get virtual and physical bank account for yourself and for your team. Sorry, your physical and virtual debit cards, not bank account. And then you can send and receive global payments. You can connect this account with Stripe, PayPal, Amazon, and other e-commerce platforms. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna show you how you can create this account step by step. So we have recently created an account and I have already the screen recording for that account, so I'll walk you through the video. Okay, so make sure you watch each and every second of this video so you don't miss any important step. So let's get it started. So first of all, here is the URL. You can just type in partners.airwallex.com/Svetro in your web browser. I'll leave the link in the description as well. So just type in that URL and open it up. So this is the Airwallex page. Here you have to add your business email. Make sure it's a business email. They don't accept Gmails, Yahoo, and whatever you have. It has to be your business email. So yes, login. Okay, so I guess I do have an account on this email. That's why they prompted me to log in into my account. So let me create a new one. Let me click on this new to the Airwallex and I'll use a different email this time so I can show you how you can create your account. So let's say I'll put in invoices@svetro.com. That would be, yep, that would be the email, and I'll then hit the get started button. So yeah, it just depends how big your company is. I'll select the 10 to 20 and your monthly revenue. Make sure they are not asking for the annual revenue, they are asking the monthly revenue. So I'm going to click on open a local and international business bank account. You have to click the exact. Okay, so here I'm selecting three options, but you have to select the second one, convert funds and make international or domestic transfer. It just depends what you exactly want, but I'll recommend you to only select the second one. That would be a great fit for you. Don't select all. Okay, so now let me enter my legal name here. You have to enter yours, your first name, your legal last name, whatever appears on your passport. Okay, and I will recommend you don't type the details here. You can add all the details in the Word file or in the text file, and then just copy paste it. Okay, it's not recommended that you can type it here. Okay, now the US number. You can buy the US number from the YK, of course. Most of them you have that. So then let me create the account. Okay, now I just received an OTP. Let me add the OTP here and confirm it. You will also gonna receive an email on your from the Airwallex that you have to verify your email as well. Just click the link that you receive in your inbox from the Airwallex. Okay, you have to do it. Okay, here now they are asking for the KYC. Enter your legal company name, whatever it is. You can type it in here. Okay. Yes, my company is in the US and entity name is Svetro LLC. Okay, so they have couple of options for the business bank account. You have to just go with the free one because we will gonna get everything that we'll be needing for to run a business. Okay, free option will be a great. Okay, now I am selecting the company. I have the company, not the partnership, and it's LLC. I'll put the EIN later. Let me add the address here first. So the address would be Jackson Keller Road, You can add your principal place of business address, okay, whatever appears on your EIN, you have to enter it. So here is the trading name. If you have a DBA, you can add it in here, otherwise just leave it blank. For the date of incorporation, you will find it on the top left or right side of your article of organization or the certificate of formation, whatever you have. So now the EIN. Okay, so make sure so make sure you don't enter the dash between your EIN. For example, if it's 38 dash, don't enter the dash because they will not let you go through with the dash. Okay, once you enter everything, you have to click on the continue button and then review every details and then click on the next button. Then for example, you have the e-commerce business, then you have to select your industry e-commerce here. Okay, mine is the legal services, so I'm selecting that one. So just hit the save and next button here. Okay, so describe the product or the services you sell. Okay, so please don't make it complicated, make it like one liner. Okay, for example, if you are in a retail business, you can tell them we will be selling goods on Amazon in the category of home and kitchen, and whatever you will be selling in the category. Okay, it is recommended that you enter home and kitchen, they because it's a generic category, they accept it easily. Okay, don't get into electronics and beauty, don't get into that categories. Okay, so let me add in my details here. Oops, it's the EIN. Okay, so EIN, ITIN and compliances. Okay, just give me a moment so I can like type it correctly. Compliances. Okay, so just don't add like 5 to 6 lines here, don't make it complicated, just add one liner about your business, whether it's a product or the service business. It's very important, very important to add your website here. If you have Amazon Shopify link, you can add that here, but it's really important to have an active website. Okay, so select your monthly revenue. You can select, depend upon your business, select where you do the business. Just select the US here. Okay, you don't need to select like China. If for example you are in the business where you sell in different countries, that doesn't matter, just select the US here. And now you have to list the authorized user, like the owner of the company. In this case, I'll be adding my details and select beneficiary owner and the controller person. I am that one. So the first legal name Muhammad and the last name Tayyab. You have to enter whatever appears on your passport as it is. Oops, sorry. Legal name. Okay, that's good one. Okay, so I have added myself. Do your business owner and share on the third party. Okay, no, you have to select that one. No. Okay, and let me click the next button. Following individual. Okay, so my company have only one individual, so I'm just clicking on this button. Now, okay, identity verification. Now you have to have your passport in hand so you can get your identity verified here. It could be a Pakistani passport, an Indian passport, a Bangladeshi passport, Australian, Canadian, American. It just doesn't matter. You have a valid passport. Make sure it's valid. That's it. Okay, my role would be a CEO and date of birth. Select your date of birth, whatever appears on your passport. Okay, make sure you have entered everything that matches your passport exactly. Just give me a second so I can like put in all details. So I have already put all my details. Okay, so as you can see, when it asking for the individual, I have entered my Pakistani details. Okay, don't add your US address here. It asking for the individual verification. You have to add your own address, don't add US details. Okay, once you have entered that, click the next button and they will give you this QR code. You have to scan it in your mobile phone and then you have to do your verification. It will ask you to scan your passport. Just you have to scan the detail page where your photos appear, that's it, and then take a selfie. So here I am just verifying myself. Just allow a moment so I can get it done. Okay, so as you can see, I have scanned my passport and I took a selfie, and then it just take like few seconds and it says your identity has been electronically verified. Done. So your identity has been verified. Now you have to click the next button and review your each and every detail. Okay, so as I mentioned, uh, as I mentioned before, you have to verify your email as well. So, okay, so here you can upload your documents. I have like my company is in the Texas, so I have like three different documents. If your company in Florida, Texas, if your company is in Florida, Wyoming, you will gonna get one document which is article of organization or the certificate of formation and the EIN. So I have uploaded my all the documents including the EIN. You have to either it's optional, but you have to add that here. It's mandatory. Okay, so as you can see, it's not letting me submit that one because as I mentioned, they will send you an email to verify your email on your email. Okay, so yeah, you have to click on the link and verify your email so they can let you submit the application. So let me hit the submit button. So yeah, so we have completed the application process. It's really simple, but you have to provide the exact details as I show you. Okay, don't make things complicated and don't provide incorrect information. So the Airwallex team will took around like 2 to 3 business days and they can approve your account. Okay, so make sure you follow this video exactly so you can create your own Airwallex business bank account. So if you have any question regarding your company formation, your ITIN, your EIN, you can definitely reach out to us. We can obviously help you with it. Thank you so much.